I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Well, first job this morning is this 93 brake Transit Custom. It's a 1.6 diesel. We're about to do a custom tune on it, see what power we can make out of it. I don't think we've done one before, but the sides is all the same. So we take the file off using CMD tool, and then we alter that in Winnows. Yeah, and hopefully get some more power out of it. Certainly make this Transit go better when it's loaded. Yeah, so that's the first job. So we'll crack on with that, make a couple of videos of it on the dyno and let you guys know the results. Here we go. So that's the end results, which we're happy with. So we've gone from 104 brake horsepower to 145 brake, and from 176 foot-pound to 242 foot-pound. Not bad for a 1.6 diesel Transit Connect. That'll certainly shift now.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.